Hello everyone, I am Shaileyee welcoming you to the Medical and Pharmacy Crash Course Division in the Knowledge Club online. Friends, today I have come with an episode in the Medical and Pharmacy Crash Course Division, quick revision of Body Fluids and Circulatory System chapter. This questions and answer session will help you ready for any kind of competitive exam or medical exams. Definitely, these episodes help you to revise, consolidate and polish your knowledge and skills. Also, help you to develop an in-depth understanding of the subject, assess and review knowledge. Suggestions contained in these type of episodes have been designed to be similar in the pattern used in JEE Medical, Neet, AIIMs, CSIR, UGC NET, GRD, DBT, JRF, ICMR, GATE, GPAT, JNUPST, JUPST, IISC and so on medical exams and pharmacy semester exams. For the sake of better self-assessment as well as a thorough and comprehensive understanding of the subject, I have kept it topic or chapter-wise. Point number 1. The first animal to have blood vascular system, that is annelids. Point number 2. The components of blood vascular system, that is the heart, blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries and blood. Point number 3. Tunica media of a blood vessel made of circular smooth muscle fibers and elastic yellow fibers. Point number 4. Artery with deoxygenated blood called the pulmonary artery. Point number 5. Nature of heart of cockroach, that is elongated, tubular, 13-chambered and neurogenic. Point number 6. Hemocoel. What is hemocoel? A blood containing pseudocoel found in arthropods and mollusks. Point number 7. Features of open circulatory system, that is blood flows at low pressure and low speed. There is direct contact and direct exchange of materials between blood and body cells. The respiratory pigment, when present, is dissolved in the plasma of the blood and there are no red corpuscles. Point number 8. 2 factors determine the RBC count. What are those? Physiological or metabolic state, altitude at which the person is living. Point number 9. Significance of closed circulatory system, that is or data. The blood flows at faster speed which increases the efficiency of circulation. Volume of blood flowing through an organ can be regulated. Point number 10. Main blood proteins of human blood are the albumins, globulins, fibrinogen, prothrombin and properdin. Point number 11. Normal sugar level of blood in an adult person, that is 60 to 100 mg per 100 ml. Point number 12. Normal urea level of blood in an adult person, that is 70 to 30 mg per 100 ml of blood. Point number 13. Only pulmonary vein carries what? Oxygenated blood. Point number 14. Separation of nitrogenous wastes from blood with the help of an artificial kidney, that is hemodialysis. Point number 15. Blood substances which promote blood coagulant process, that is procoagulants. Point number 16. Blood proteins help in blood clotting in the injuries, fibrinogen and prothrombin. Point number 17. Human organ acting as a blood bank of body, that is spleen. Point number 18. Decrease in WBC count is called leukopenia. Point number 19. 3 types of granulocytes of human blood, that are neutrophils, basophils and eosinophils. Point number 20. Leucocytes provide immunity, the lymphocytes. Point number 21. The property of the leukocytes to come out body vessels by amoeboid movements, that is diapedesis. Point number 22. Peritoneal sac surrounding the heart, that is called the pericardium. Point number 23. Position of tricuspid valve in the human heart, where? Between the right auricle and right ventricle. Point number 24. The nodal tissues regulating the heartbeat, who are those? The sinus, auricular node, auriculoventricular node, bundle of His and Purkinje fibers. Point number 25. Pacemaker of heart, who? Sinus, auricular node, SA node. 26. Removal of blockage of an artery by balloon surgery, called angioplasty. 27. Radioautography of blood vessels after injecting certain tracers, called angiography. 28. Swollen body part due to blockage of lymph vessels, called edema. 29. Film showing radioautograph of blood vessels, called angiogram. Point number 30. Which bind calcium and are added in the donated blood in blood storing bags in blood bank? It's chelating agent, sodium citrate, EDTA, etc. Point number 31. As per International Commission on Blood Coagulation that is generated at 1954, the 13 coagulation factors are involved. Who are those? Number 1. Fibrinogen, synthesized by liver and released in blood plasma. Number 2. Prothrombin, synthesized by liver in the presence of vitamin K. Third. Tissue thromboplastin, released from injured tissues and blood platelets at injury. Fourth. The calcium-ions. Fifth. Labile factor. Sixth. Acetylcholine. 7. Stable factor or proconvertin. 8. Anti-hemophilic factor AHF. 9. Christmas factor. 10. Stewart power factor. 11. Plasma thromboplastin antecedent PTA. 12. Hegman or surface factor. 13. Fibrin stabilizing factor. Point number 32. Study of heart, that is called cardiology. Heart specialist, the cardiologist. 13. Heart in different animals. In the cockroach, straight, elongated, tubular and 13 chambered. In crustaceans, insects and cephalopods, the ampullary heart. In annelids and molluscs, pulsating hearts. Earthworm has 4 pairs of heart. Single chambered heart is found in protochordates. Most fishes 2 chambered. Only the lungfishes have 3 chambered. Amphibians, that is frog, that is 3 chambered. Most of the reptiles 4 chambered. Crocodiles, alligator, gharial, etc. 4 chambered. In birds and mammals, heart is 4 chambered and has double circulation. Point number 34. Increase in blood sugar level called hyperglycemia. Fall in blood sugar level, that is called hypoglycemia. Point number 35. Inorganic compounds of blood occur as crystalloids. Organic compounds of blood occur as colloids. Point number 36. Fall in rate of erythropoiesis in bone marrow, that is called aplastic anemia. Point number 37. Critical count of platelets, that is platelet counts, fall below 40,000 per ml. Point number 38. spherocytosis, and abnormal condition in which RBCs become spherical. Point number 39, instrument used to measure RBC count. What is that? The hemocytometer. Point number 40, lifespan of human RBC, 115 to 120 days. Point number 41, position of cardiac centers in the medulla oblongata of brain. 42, polycythemia. It's called the increase in blood count. 43, sphygmomanometer, the blood pressure measuring instrument, invented by Korotkov at 1950. Point number 44, rate of heartbeat is inversely proportional to the size of organisms. In the case of screws, that is 600 times. 300 to 500 times in rats and mice, 200 times in rabbit, 70 to 72 times in humans, 25 times in elephants, 7 times in whale. 45, father of electrocardiography, EINTOVAN, discovered in the year 1903. Point number 46, cardiac output. It's a volume of blood ejected from the heart in the aorta in 1 minute, known as minute volume also. 47, cardiac output is inversely proportional to age and total peripheral resistance of the organisms. Point number 48, cardiac output minute volume is directly proportional to size of organisms, venous region, amount of blood entering the heart, age, etc. Point number 49, the equation of cardiac output. Cardiac output is equals to stroke volume into rate of heartbeat. Point number 50, portal vein, a vein which collects the blood from one organ by a system of capillaries but divides into an intermediate organ before the heart. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's question and answer session and increased your knowledge more on body fluids and circulation, right? I am coming with another revision session on another chapter in next episode that also will be help you to flourish your knowledge more. If you like this video, please like, share and comment freely. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you already subscribed, then thanks a lot. After subscribing our channel, please click on the bell button for getting the regular updates. I am coming with another video very shortly. Till then, goodbye.